So Stanbic is one of the leading banks in the spaces of asset finance. So 3 unique initiatives that we've taken is that we are pre-qualifying our customers. If you hold accounts with us, we pre-qualify you for asset finance limits. Number 2 is that we have come up with very well-structured partnerships with different suppliers in this market to an extent that we are able to get value in terms of structures like interest subvention, levels of financing, and extended tenure. Stanbic also is able to provide up to 100% financing. We have a proposition called data banking. Like I said, you are pre-qualified. If you are pre-qualified, then you can be able to access the 100% financing. Also, another important advantage that Stanbic has put into play in terms of innovation in this space is we have stretched repayment. You can repay your facility for up to 72 months, noting the challenges that are there in the market in terms of liquidity. And importantly also to note is we've implemented risk-based pricing, where your interest rate that Anne would enjoy and what I would enjoy would differentiate depending on what risk grading have been put at.
So how do you also just assess risks when giving out the money, or for assessing eligibility in order to mitigate risk as well as Stanbic Bank when giving out asset finances?
So the first thing when you're looking at risk is know your client. So basically getting to understand what nature of business are you running, looking at industry. We have expertise in knowing what industries we expect to grow, which ones are having challenges, and we can structure facilities in terms of that recognition. The second thing is we do also have expertise in understanding the assets that customers are acquiring. So that's the other criteria that we look at in reviewing credit worthiness. Then the other thing is repayment capacity, not only recognizing the current cash flows and your current status of liquidity, but also future. Do you have contracts that we expect to be to bring in enhanced repayment capacity or inflows? So in a nutshell, those are the main key things that we look at.
And we also know that access to financing, of course, remains